Today, I'm going to a high school to talk with students about how I became a doctor and then a plant-based chef. So someone from my church actually invited me to speak at her school, which she's a counselor at. And so I'm actually on my way there now. I had to stop and get some of my favorite juice. If you don't know, this is the juice to get. Go to Food Line and get this juice. I remember 20 years ago when I was a senior in high school and I thought I had to know everything about what I was going to do with my life. And if I could go back to that Shayla 20 years ago, I would tell her, you don't have to have everything figured out. Just trust your gut and God will help the path unfold as you listen to him. So it'll be cool to kind of share with them my journey and show them how the steps can look if you follow what you think you're supposed to do and go from there. Because I promise you, there is no way in the world I thought that I would be doing what I'm doing now. 20 years ago, I didn't even know this type of career existed. Good morning. Hey, how y'all doing? What's your name? Allie. I'm
Nice to
Shayla.
meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Hi, I'm Piper Porter.
Nice to meet y'all, ladies. So I'm Dr. Shayla. I'm a doctor and I'm also a plant-based chef. I started a YouTube channel 2 years ago and I got 24,000 subscribers just from showing up every day. But I started off wanting to be a doctor. I went one path of doing college, medical school. Then I said, actually, I think I want to cook for people. The only reason people let me actually come into their home is because I was a doctor. They're like, well, you're a doctor. I'll trust you. And that turned into friends letting me cook for them. So now I have clients. Don't feel like life has to look one certain way.
Yeah. This is amazing.
I appreciate it. I appreciate it.
Yeah, really to show us to build our dreams.
Yeah, build your own path, build your own life.
Thank you. You made this.
Yes, ma'am.
I want some.
I wish
Why
I
you
could
bring no
because I couldn't make 1,600 samples. Because I thought about it and then
would have been here.
yeah, I know, and it would have been done with the ninth graders. This is one of my favorite smoothies, protein blueberry smoothie, all natural ingredients, no dairy. So if you want to take a picture of the recipe, feel free. You got a question?
Where'd you go for, did you go to school for cooking or anything?
No, so that's a great question. Actually, self-taught. So YouTube University and just practicing, being honest with people, saying, I'm learning this. Can I make a meal for you for free? People will always take free food. And then once they know that it's good, then they'll pay you. So great question.
When you were cooking all these things for your daughter, how did you know they were working?
Ooh, that's a great question. It's based off science. So I was reading articles. So that's the doctor part of my brain. I was reading articles about plant-based cooking, about lifestyle medicine is what it's specifically called. And they can show how it decreases inflammation, which is what she needed for her heart. And then the doctors that see her, they're like, she's doing great. So I'm gonna keep doing what I'm doing if she's doing good. Oh, and
That's very good.
wait, what's that? Which one?
All of it.
Oh, you said all of it.
All of it.
What questions do y'all have?
We take a picture.
What? Of course you can take as long as yours, yes, we can take a picture. Y'all, we outside packing right now. We made it. I always wonder what students take away in conversations like this, because I'm hoping that it spoke to them in a little bit of a way, just to kind of encourage them to not think that things have to look a certain way, you know? It just was like a blast from the past. It made me think about what it was like to be in high school again, and it reminded me of how happy I am that I get to do this. I get to cook, I get to share it on YouTube, I get to be a doctor in the kitchen, make something that's not really like a defined path, you know what I mean? And so even if you're watching this and you're not in high school, you were growing up like me, go after your dreams, chase them, and just remember your why. But I'm so glad I got to do this. So if you love this video, I want to thank you for watching it. You can check out my next video here, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.